This plantain porridge is so good, it should come with a warning. Because once you taste it, there's no going back. Place a pot on medium heat and add 3 cups of water, cinnamon sticks, star anise, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it come to a rolling boil. Wash your green plantains and remove most of the skin. Cut into chunks. Blend with a little water until smooth and silky. Once the pot is boiling, slowly pour in the blended plantain. Keep stirring, don't stop. Don't blink, because right in front of you, it turns into this thick, shiny, luxurious porridge that looks expensive but costs almost nothing. Sweeten it just enough to bring everything together, letting the flavors blooms. If you love recipes that taste even better than they look, follow and subscribe, because this is only the beginning. Give it a stir, let the sugar melt right in. Then add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, vanilla, and stir. And at this point, the aroma takes over the whole kitchen, and your stomach already knows something seriously good is about to happen. Then the evaporated milk goes in. Instantly, everything comes together. And boom! Creamy, smooth, luxurious. The texture alone tells you this porridge is about to be unforgettable. The texture starts tightening up slowly. Not rushed, not forced. Just gently thickening into this silky, glossy porridge that looks as good as it smells. Keep stirring. Watch how it moves. Heavy enough to coat the spoon. Soft enough to melt the second it hits your mouth. This is that perfect moment. Not runny, not stiff. Balanced. Turn the heat down low and let it simmer for a minute. Let all those warm spices sink in. Let the flavors settle and come together. Now serve it hot. Steaming. Comforting. Take a sip slow. Or go all in with hot bread on the side and don't apologize for it. Because this isn't just porridge. This is the kind of food that makes you pause after the first spoon and wonder why you haven't been eating it your whole life. If you've never tried plantain porridge like this before, yeah, you've been missing out. Now tell me, porridge straight or porridge with bread? Save this recipe so you don't forget it. Like this video if you love easy, comforting food that actually delivers. And share it with someone who would devour this in seconds.